Thank you for registering in our online training session. So here I had created a sample video which we will be conducting in our online training. So here I had kept the outputs. So one will be generated when the value is below 400 and one will be generated when the value is above 400 and the one will be generated when the value is equal to 200. So to generate the value, so here I had connected an encoder. So you can see the encoder is connected to our PLC, and when the when the encoder is rotated, you can see the inputs are generated in our PLC. This is actually Siemens 1200 PLC in which our training will be conducted. So when we rotate, you can see the outputs value. Okay, so you can see now the value is 200. So when the 200 is generated, so I had kept on third output. So you can see the third output is on. So when the value is above 400, so you can see when the value is above 400, you can see the second output gets on. Okay, so for this we had created a PLC program, so which is running at the background in the PLC. Okay, so when the value is above the required value, so we can make it to 0. So you can see this is how the value is set to 0 in encoder. So for all these settings, we have to configure and we have to program in the PLC. Okay, so the PLC program also I had just showed in the upcoming slide. So but how to configure, so that we will see in our actual training session. Okay, so but here I have just kept for an sample like how the output will be displayed. So likewise, so once we start our training, so after learning you will be able to create an encoder output or PLC's input, whatever the input is. So based on that you will get an output. So the same will be generated in our training also. Okay, so you will be able to know about all these blocks. Okay, so this is the TIA software. So from this software you can see the output is generated, and from there the SCADA is created. Okay, so which we had seen previously, the SCADA, and this is the PLC.